Alright, I'm assembling the chili verde enchiladas. Right? Okay, see, look. We have pinto beans and rice. We have sour cream, Daisy sour cream. We have tortillas, and we have the meat with cut olives and mozzarella cheese. Right? Then, hold on, I gotta put you there for a second. While I twist this little enchilada into place, we gotta twist it like that and turn it upside down. See, you twist and turn it upside down. Okay, then you grab another tortilla and you just do the same thing with it. Hold on, I'll take a drink of my Bloody Mary. Okay, grab some more tortillas. Then, gets to be a little different now because now we're doubling it up. See, look. You load the tortilla, then you throw the sour cream on top. Okay, hold on. Sour cream. Look at how beautiful. No, but look at how beautiful. All right. See, now there's another one we fold over. We fold it over just like this, see? And we put it next to the last one. Look at. Now it's getting to be a tight squeeze in the baking dish. So what you got to do now is, once you grab the next tortilla, we might have to actually lay them out to the side because we're not even halfway done with this meat. Preferably, I like to roll them all tonight. Okay. Okay. A little bit more sour cream. I'll show you in a minute. Oh, crap. For all you sour cream lovers out there, the chili verde roll up. Okay, now I'm rolling it. Uh-oh, the oven's preheated. So see, we put them like that. Uh-oh. Should I put some more on the side? Of course we should. There's only one left, so I'm just going to scoot everything over. There's one tortilla left, so look, this is going to be working out perfectly. See, I just scooted everything over. That way you can put the last enchilada on the right-hand side right there. I'll show you exactly how we're assembling this in a second. There we go. We're loading up the very last enchilada. Look at how beautiful. Look at how beautiful. Look at this. How beautiful. Okay. Now we get to roll this one out. Roll it. Wait. Roll it and then stuff it in there, that little spot. See, now they're all nicely, neatly tucked in. Then we put sauce over the top. I'll show you in a second after I accomplish this one step. Okay, we do this all over the top of the enchilada. See that? A little bit more. Whoa. Hope it's not going to overflow. It should be all right. A little bit more right here. Okay. See? Pour some sauce over the top. Get them nice and neatly assembled up in here. Okay, and then you gotta like make sure that all those crevices get covered. It's kind of spicy. Mmm. It's really good. Mmm. Okay. I gotta get some more mozzarella on top of this. And then I'm gonna stick it in the oven uncovered. I'm gonna pour all this cheese over the top. Okay, that's enough. We'll leave a little bit. We'll leave a little bit left over. Okay, now we gotta spread this cheese out. See? I know, but look at how beautiful. I know, but look. How beautiful. Beans and rice. Chile Verde enchiladas going in the oven at 350 until the cheese gets golden brown. But hold on a minute. I gotta assemble the beans and rice in this here little dish right here. Okay, because this is gonna go in the oven at the same time, so everything is hot at the same time. So you're gonna put the rice on one side, like so. I'll show you in a second. Put the rice over there like this. Oh, see, then we can have cheese pour over the top of the beans and rice. What a great idea. Yeah, that's genius. Okay. Look. We made yellow rice. Now look how beautiful. Okay, because face it, this is beautiful. This is beautiful, huh? Yeah, look, and it fit perfectly in the container and everything in the dish. Look at how beautiful. Now that's what we're doing. We're using the rest of this here little cheese to go over the beans and rice. Okay, my husband's gonna be so happy when this is done and he can eat it. He's gonna be so happy. Okay, watch. Wait till you see this. Gotta get the cheese out. Come on cheese, come out. What is the problem? The cheese. The cheese doesn't want to come out. It's so fresh. Bro, why is it doing that? Okay. You gotta wash your hands in between. Okay, now we could pop this in there with the rest of everything else. Look. This is the cheese and the rice and the baked beans. See? Cheesy yellow rice and baked beans. Straight into the oven with the rest of everything else. Okay, now we start the timer. Timer for 25. Start. I'll show you the end result when it's done. Just for Kylie Rodney. God bless America. Love you all. Bye for now.